The release of Samsung Xchange 2.5 sees the introduction of several beneficial new features to the Presence window. A new combined view has been added to the Presence window that shows users and extensions simultaneously. All of a user's registered devices are displayed grouped together so that other users can quickly identify the options available for contacting a user. Extensions not registered to a user, for example a conference room phone, are still shown and can be dialed as normal. Users that have multiple devices registered to them can select a preferred device. Simply calling the user from the Presence screen will make their preferred device ring. Also, any call made by the user will be made through their preferred device. Clearer icons have been designed to make it easier for you and your colleagues to visually ascertain each other's availability. These icons are visible in the system tray and in the Presence window's user and extension views. Call groups can now be viewed and calls can be transferred to groups through the Presence window as easily as transferring to regular extensions. Users can send emails to other users directly from the Presence window through the new option in the right-click context menu. The Presence window is now dockable so that it stays on your computer desktop even when you are using other software in a maximised view. So Samsung Xchange 2.5 improves your productivity even further and makes communicating with your colleagues even easier. Version 2.5 of Samsung Xchange includes some great new user interface improvements to streamline your computer telephony even further than previous versions. The preview window will now appear when any of a user's associated devices rings, for example desk phone, soft phone or mobile phone, and a contact record can be popped as normal when a matching contact record is found. And the preview window can now be repositioned into any of the four corners of your computer desktop by simply dragging it into the appropriate quarter of the screen. Samsung Xchange has plug-and-play compatibility with the Busy Light UC system, a USB-connected LED light hardware system which uses different coloured light to indicate a user's availability status to other office staff. A full context-sensitive online help system has been incorporated into Samsung Xchange so that users can access the appropriate information quickly and easily with a single click of the mouse. Samsung Xchange Operator now has the facility to pop a script and notes in the Auto tab when a DDI number is called. This feature is especially helpful when Samsung Xchange is managing multi-tenant environments or dedicated DDI numbers have been allocated to customers. So with Samsung Xchange 2.5, it is even easier to get to the content you need exactly when you need it. For Samsung Xchange 2.5, a number of time-saving availability enhancements have been made. Online meetings using Skype, GoToMeeting, TeamViewer, WebEx, JoinMe, and also link calls can be detected by Samsung Xchange, which then sets users' availability to online meeting. When Samsung Xchange detects no activity on a user's mouse or keyboard after a user-specified period of time, it can change the availability status accordingly. If a user's computer becomes locked, Samsung Xchange can recognize this and set the availability status to break, unavailable, or away from desk. Samsung Xchange can also use calendar integration to update users' availability states and even use meeting subject information as users' absence text message. Furthermore, users themselves can quickly and easily define sets of actions to be taken automatically when specific availability states become active or inactive. With these new features, Samsung Xchange 2.5 makes it easier to quickly and clearly indicate your availability status so the whole office runs more smoothly.